Hi, my name is Phil from Bond Securcom. I'm a project manager. Bond is one of the top integrators in the Toronto area, and we're at one of our sites in downtown Toronto right now. It's a commercial level client, and they need enterprise level products to meet their expectations. 5 years ago, Bond has installed the CCTV solutions, access control solutions, and communication solutions such as this one. This client relies on dependable products that they can rely on, and this is why I want to showcase the Aiphone product and give you a tour of the site. To start our tour, I want to show you what we've installed here at the front entrance for our client. This is the IX DV intercom station. This station is weather and vandal proof with a rating of IK8. It's PoE enabled, so all you have to do is run a network cable into a switch and you can get it programmed and working. And the way that this intercom works is you press this button, you'll be able to talk to the concierge behind the desk, and the concierge will be able to see the person on video, and if they want to let the person in, they can press the unlock button and the door will open for them. Now I'm going to show you how the IX DV intercom works at this parking gate. I'm going to press the button. It's going to now call the security concierge. Hi, it's Phil from Bond Securcom. Can you please open the door?
Okay.
Thank you. There you go. This client here, they have 4 parking levels, and on each parking level, we have multiple of these IX DV units. This is very important because if there's somebody in distress or they need to call security, they can come to any one of these units that's located on multiple columns throughout the parking level, and they can press this button and they can talk to the security right away. It's very important that these are reliable units because if anything were to happen to a tenant or somebody visiting their site, security would want to know and help them out. What I like about Aiphone is they have multiple options for you to install. This unit right here is still the video and audio solution, but they have other solutions as well, such as emergency towers that has a 2-button system, and you can press 1 for normal audio, the second would be for emergency, and there would be a strobe equipped with it that would flash on and off to show where the person needs help. We're at the front security desk right now. They have the IX MV master station. All the video and audio intercoms will come to this station. It's PoE enabled, SIP compliant, and you can also monitor all the video that all the intercoms are connected to. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You click monitor. You can go to whatever video station you want to monitor. You press that, you press monitor, and you can see the video of the intercom and also audio. At this site, we have around 30 IX DV intercom stations deployed. And as a project manager, we want to deploy something that's dependable and reliable, and that's why we use Aiphone. And in the many years of using this system, we don't get any issues. And the great thing about Aiphone is they're constantly developing new features. They can integrate with other access control systems, other VMS systems, and they've just released Aiphone Cloud Service that you can host all of your sites into one platform. Thank you for watching the video on one of our commercial clients. At Bond Securcom, we install CCTV, access control, and intrusion solutions. And if you want any help, then you can reach out to us.
Did you enjoy this video? If you have interesting case study about your product or service or story about your company that you want to share with the security industry and you want to publish it on our YouTube channel, then listen up. My name is Oleg Bordian and I'm the founder of Pipl Systems and Pipl companies. Pipl Systems is a media platform for the physical security industry built on principle of free to publish and free to watch. And what does it mean? It means that any professional in the security industry can send us the video or article, and if the material provides real value to integrators, installers, manufacturers, distributors, or even end users of security systems, we will publish it for free on our YouTube channel and website. And if you don't have content yet, or you are not sure how to create it, we will help you too. Our marketing agency Pipl Systems produces professional content end-to-end. We can travel anywhere in the world to film a case study, product review, company presentation, interview, anything that clearly and technically showcases your expertise in the security market. You can use this content in your own marketing, and it will also be featured on Pipl Systems. If you want the industry to hear your story, Pipl Systems and Pipl Leads are here to make it happen.